asuntoskeittiön pääsykulma.
Yeah.
Mariankatu 17, Lahti, staircase.
Yes. 2006 on the door, so that's why it is, of course, the building of 2007.
Yeah.
Today, on the 16th of July 2025, we have Mariankatu 17 staircase, but it's Hemmekatu side.
Yeah.
13 side. Built originally in 1959 with the 4 fixtures and then 07906. Just these 3 cars as door frames. There are only 5 floors in the staircase, but
Yeah.
I'll show you why that somebody's coming.
Yeah.
It's not much fun.
Yeah.
And this one has a different ceiling. These orders have like a
Yeah.
Japanese style ceiling. LED lights.
Yeah.
Fortunately, the basement doors, but it's a big thing.
Yeah.
I thought they were more suitcases, but they were still empty.
Yeah. Means dit pakje maistaa. Maintained by Kone.
And you can, of course, also watch the Pegasus A and B here,
Yeah.
which are taller also. And have a net shaft also.
Yeah.
There are my numbers on the floor.
Yeah.
Hear the chime up, so somebody's coming.